What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Brand new product here from IMEX. This might actually be the best RC car they've ever made. It is the Big Bear II monster truck. If you're familiar with RC at all guys, Big Bear was one of the first RC monster trucks. We'll leave a picture on the screen here. They've taken their monster truck here, slammed it with that beautiful Big Bear name. So let's go over some features. Ready to run, obviously, 4-wheel drive. Here's some pictures of it. Looks like it comes with a charger and an 1800 milliamp LiPo battery. Aluminum capped oil-filled shocks, adjustable posts, brushless ESC. Headlights are attached to the front bumper. Metal drive shafts, and it even has a center diff. All metal gears, front, rear, and center diff. Dude, that's pretty dope. Oh yeah. So included is IMEX's standard transmitter here. It's got speed dual rate, steering trim, throttle and steering reverse. Pretty much standard with every single brushless RC car that IMEX sells. A charger and some extra body clips, a tool for the tires, and some double-sided tape, stickers, and a manual. Underneath the body, looks like we got some lights right here. It's got this top light bar. Body's pretty cool. I think it should have a plastic cover over it to keep it safe. Typically they do. Yep, it does. So let's pull that off. Alright, so there's the brushless motor right there. Dean's connector, full-size servo, batteries tucked back here on the side, metal drive shaft right in the middle. You can hear that center diff. Everything's here, man. This thing is actually really cool. I'm pretty excited to play with this thing. I definitely can say from first impressions, I think this is without a doubt IMEX's best car yet. It's perfect size. I think that's really it, guys. The only thing you're gonna need is 3 AA's. That's pretty common with their cars. Let's get these stickers on and then head off to the park. We are at the park right now. We got the Big Bear here. I'm actually really excited to play with this. I've played with it one other time when it was in its demo mode at the hobby shop, but we got our own right here, right now, and I'm ready to rip it. All right, speed all the way up. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do the standard asphalt test, and I'm gonna go to the rocks, and then we'll do some off-road stuff. We're gonna do the high-speed test. That's the first thing we're gonna do. I'll say this. The first thing I'm seeing, I think the steering servo might be a little weak. It's fast though. Ooh, that rips. For 2S, that rips. Woo! She's quick. Yeah, the steering's a little delayed. That just could be me. It's smooth. It's very smooth. This thing's sweet. Just enough grip on the tires. Oh, this thing's gonna be great off-road, I can already tell. Alright, so we're gonna do our classic curb jump test. So we'll roll up to this curb quite slow, and then we'll just punch it. Nope. Now part 2 of this video, guys, I'm gonna make another one. We're gonna go to a track and try it off-road on a dirt track. So I think that it's gonna be pretty cool. If you're interested in one of these guys, there's a link in my description where you can pick one up. The acceleration on this is actually pretty nuts. All right, let's hit the rocks. This is where it's gonna shine, I think. Oh yeah, she's got tons of power. No issues at all in the rocks. Tons of power. Oh, rock to the face. I better watch out for my GoPro. I mean, for a 2S little monster truck, this thing goes. All right, let's try it down here in the grass. All right, we were able to do this with a couple of the other IMEX cars. Let's see if we can do it this time. No. We're gonna have to go to the track for this. See how it does off-road. It's not half bad. I'm impressed with it. It's pretty cool. I think out of all the IMEX cars that they have, this one's the best. And if you saw the video with me jumping the shotgun at a skate park, I couldn't break it. So this feels to be made of the same plastic materials, super durable. And like I said, this has a center differential, which I can't stress enough. Most RC cars at this price point do not have it. And this thing retails for $100 and I believe $90 or something like that. Ready to run with the battery and charger in the box. This is the IMEX Big Bear, a brand new 4-wheel drive brushless monster truck from IMEX. Links in the description to where you can buy one. This is not the end of these videos here, guys. We're gonna do more with the Big Bear. We're gonna see how it performs off-road, jumps, and all that cool stuff. Some closing thoughts here on the Big Bear II. What do I think of it? I actually like it a lot. I think it's got tons of power. It looks good, it drives good. I would say my only complaint would be that I think it needs a more powerful servo, but this is a ready-to-run model that is sub $200, so pretty much always expect the servos they come with to not be the greatest. It's a standard size servo, so you should have no issue swapping out something better. I think a more responsive servo would do this truck justice and make it just that much better. But overall, guys, I can't complain. Clearly, we had some fun with it today. It is completely trashed. As I mentioned before, this is not the last you'll see of the Big Bear. We're going to do a part 2 where we bring it to an actual RC track and really find out how it fares. And this right here is IMEX's other new vehicle, the Scorpion. It is very similar to the others you've seen me review on this channel. However, this one is 3S capable. We're also going to make a video of this on the track, so stay tuned for that, guys. These videos are both coming. As I mentioned before, if you're interested in picking one up for yourself, the links are in the description below. IMEXRC.com. That's it for the video, guys. Stay tuned for the next ones. They're going to be awesome. Hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time. Later.